Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have started a programming series on PHP. So this is the part 9, and if you watch this part first time, so you just watch my previous parts on complete PHP programming, and I already uploaded part 1 to part 8 in my YouTube channel. Just watch from part 1 to part 8, and each part I have discussed about one topic and with the detailed discussion and also hands-on examples. Okay, so now I'll coming to my topic in this tutorial session part 9, in which I am going to discuss about PHP conditional statements. Okay, so PHP conditional statements is a very basic thing of PHP programming, and from this onwards PHP programming is started. Okay, and if you understand well the conditional statements, you can make any business logic, you can make any functionalities in PHP programming. Okay, so this is a very important topic. Conditional statements are very important in PHP programming. If also and also other programming language also. And okay, so I am just going to discuss about one by one about PHP conditional statements. Okay, so first one is if statement. So I am going to my script where I have I actually show the practicals. So if statements if statements of the syntax, you have to understand the syntax first to use this if statement. So if statement syntax is if condition inside the bracket, you have to put the condition, and then in the curly braces we have to write the statements we what we want to execute if this condition is true. Okay, so if this condition is true, a condition returns true or false. So this condition, if this condition is true, then PHP will execute these statements. Okay, so I'm writing one example like this. If so I am writing here number one variable that is v string. Let's say this is PHP programming. So I am using here a function is numeric. Okay, so is numeric v string, then it will print echo, means it will give the output echo the value is numeric. Okay, first I will go for true condition. So I am giving a number here 1 2 3 4 like this. So commenting this one. Okay, so if this is though I am saying it's string, I can say variable like number. Okay, so let's see we can get the expected output or not. The value is numeric. Okay, so I'm getting the expected output. Okay, Now I'm just commenting this one, and I'm just using this variable. Okay, so what it will display? It will display nothing because condition is false, right? So if I write like okay, so condition is false, so that's why it is not displaying. Okay, so next I'll move to the if else condition, if else statement, and in the same I can write one else statement, and I can write the echo statement like this. This value is string or characters. Okay, so I'm saving it, and I'm using the variable as the string. Okay, so it should give the output of this one. Okay, the value is characters. Okay, so I'm just refreshing, the value is characters. Okay, now if else also you see how it can work. Or now if else if and if, so I can write multiple if statement. If else if, to show that I will take this number variable. Okay, so I just change the condition. If v num less than 1500, then let's it is the salary, so salary is 10,000, 10,000, or okay 20,000, let's say. So if salary is 20,000 less than 20,000, then I can write the employee is junior employees. Okay, so and in next condition else if, I can write else if, so I can make another condition. So here I'll mention equal, so the employee is mid-level employee. Okay, and I can write another else statement, that means salary is greater than 20,000, so I can display here the employee is senior level employee. Okay, so this is the if else statements. Okay, third one. So let's see what is the output. So it is in 20 line. I am missing some variable name. Bsal is the variable name. Okay, so the employee is mid-level employee because it is equal to salary is equal to 20,000. Okay, so it is displaying the output this one. Okay, let's say its salary I make it 30,000. So what it will print, or what will be the output? The employee is senior level employee. Okay, here it will be senior level employee because less than 20,000 this condition is false, and also this condition is false, and whatever it may be, it will go to the next condition. Okay, rest of the whatever the rest remaining condition. Okay, now I'll okay, so junior employee, for junior employee, let's say it is a 10,000. Okay, so why now see here output is the employee is junior employee. Okay, fine. So I think you have understood the conditional statements, which is if end statement, if statements, and if else statements, and if else if and else statements. Okay, so I will discuss about the switch statement in my next part, part 10 of PHP conditional statements. Okay, so if you if this tutorial is helping you in learning the PHP, that is very popular web development language, if my tutorial is helping you in learning PHP, then just give a like. And if you are getting knowledge, and just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that you will get the notification of next video, and you can watch that video also for your learning. Okay, and also share this tutorial or video with your friends and colleagues, so that they can learn also from this video, and it will help them for learning. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Just give a like and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so that's all. If you want to join my training session, my contact is there on the thumbnail. I provide that online training on each modules of web development. You just contact me over the call or WhatsApp or email specified in the description section. Okay, I'll tell you the process, and you can start immediately after that. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Thank you very much for watching this video, and just I make a comment below the video, so that I can understand that this video is helping you in your learning. Okay, just give a comment. Okay, so I'll expect a comment below this video, and just give a like and watch other videos also from part 1 to part 8, and just ask me any question if you have any doubt in the comment section. I'll respond to that also. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and that's all. And I hope you are liking my teaching, and I always teach in a very easy way with the examples. So just comment me what you are learning from my tutorial, and is it helping you in your grow your skill, and are you getting technical skill from my video? Just give a comment and like my video if you like the tutorial, also my teaching. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and bye.